I'm Eric Long, Technical Services here at American Weather Star. In this system view video, we're going to go over our Ure-A-Sil being installed over a modified bitumen roof, or ModBit as it's sometimes referred to in the industry. ModBit is a very common roof surface that is found on many commercial flat roofs, and it does last about 15 to 20 years before you start to see any type of issues. But before you go thinking about doing a full roof replacement, which can be very costly, you might want to consider restoring that roof with our Ure-A-Sil system. But if your roof is too far gone, it may not be a coatings candidate, and that's why it's very important to get your roof evaluated by one of American Weather Star's approved contractors.
For the first step of the installation, workers pressure wash the roof to prepare it for the coatings application. During this process, workers also check for and repair any problem areas in the existing roof membrane. Next, workers waterproof all seams, transitions, penetrations, drains, and other flashing details with American Weather Star Urethane Brush Grade 522. These areas are especially important to address because they are typically the most common spots for leaks to occur. Once preparation is complete, a gray base coat of American Weather Star Urethane 520 is then applied. This product will provide the roof with a durable, waterproof layer that allows for natural expansion and contraction. This base layer of urethane is what sets the Ure-A-Sil system apart from other coating systems on the market. Not only does it act as a primer, it provides the system with superior adhesion and strength. Once the urethane base coat is dry, a white top coat of American Weather Star Silicone 410 is then applied. This product will provide the roof with a weather-resistant, rubber-like seal and give the system excellent UV protection. Like all American Weather Star fluid-applied systems, the Ure-A-Sil system must be installed by an American Weather Star approved contractor. This system is eligible for a 12 or 15-year warranty, along with the option of a material warranty or labor and material warranty. Ask your American Weather Star approved contractor for warranty details, including the StarGuard Plus warranty extension program.